Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday? It's Tuesday, right? Yes, it is. Oh, man. Oh, how does it feel to be so nice to me, Dad? Oh.
Oh, what up, my son?
Oh, you're going to do it now when the camera's off.
I'm
Oh, man.
Get out.
You're good. See?
I'm not fighting with you. Get out. Quit. Do 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 do.
Remember when you used to do that to me?
Listen, child. Gee whiz. What was this at?
I don't know. Guys, anyways, I want to show you this. It's the first day of spring, right? Today's the first day of spring, right?
Yes.
It's a freaking ice storm, bro.
It's over now.
You should have seen it a while back ago.
Are you in bed when we actually have it?
No, they're not here. Ding, 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 they hitting the... I should have, but I didn't.
What?
What is this? Huh?
There's more snow coming.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're getting 12 feet of snow.
12 feet.
Yes, 12 feet of snow.
Oh.
Isn't that what you said, Dad? You said 12 feet of snow?
You want to say 12 feet?
Yes, you did. You said 12 feet of snow.
I did not.
You mean 18 inches?
No.
Yes. What?
9 to 14 inches.
Yeah, 18 inches. Anyway, guys, we're supposed to get a shit ton of snow tonight and tomorrow. Will you stop? Oh, just because we got a fan, you want to make sure I don't say anything coming from you.
I got one fan.
Cuts all the time.
Who don't like me anymore.
Why do you say that?
I don't know.
Because you wouldn't talk to you?
Yeah.
Dad, you just broke something.
What is this place?
I don't know.
Oh, I shouldn't have
Move the
been-
chair forward.
shouldn't have been back
It's your
there.
damn fault because you got the chair all the way back when you sit in it.
Well, I'll see who the mean one is here.
Oh, sure. I'm the mean one. Well, I learned it from someone. Who did I learn it from?
Your mother.
You.
Your mother.
Oh. I'm going to show her this video. Done. You know I show her all these videos, right?
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. When I edit, I have him come back to look at the editing thing and show him how crazy you are. But look, you have your
I'm
crazy
sitting here
hairdo going on, too.
Yeah. Yeah.
What? As soon as I'm eating, we're going for a walk, right?
Rain, freezing rain.
Jake wants to go out, though. Jake doesn't care.
She crazy enough to go out in the rain. I don't care.
Yes, he is. Alright, guys. I will cut back later. Whoop! Alright, guys. We're going outside, going for a walk out in the freezing rainstorm, and the dog's gonna be free.
I'm too afraid.
What is this shit? What is this? I'm afraid to walk across this. Oh, shit. If you guys can't tell, oh my god. The porch is nothing but ice right now. Oh my god, I don't like this because I just fell like a while back ago and broke everything. This is freaky, guys. Look at this ice.
Look at this table. Look, that's solid ice.
Oh shit, dude. Look what? Oh, Dad, look at this. It's frozen. It's frozen. Oh, gee, that's crazy. Can you imagine if he's walking in this? He'd probably be froze. Be an ice man.
Trees. Look at that tree there on there.
That's cool. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but look at this. Look at this. Whew. Can you see the ice on this tree? It froze the entire tree. Like, you can't, like, see it, but the whole tree has a layer of ice on it. That's freaky. That is freaky, Dad. Where did the ice storm come from? You can even feel it on the ground, too. Yeah, yeah, can you walk and get filled with the grass? Is still an ice storm coming? Is it snowing now? Look at the briars. They have ice all around them.
I see.
Huh?
Beehive driving here somewhere.
Would you stop about your beehives? You go ship out $400.
I'm not John here.
How you gonna get the bees here? That's what I want to
I
know.
don't pay that much money just to have them fly away.
They're not gonna fly away.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
No, they don't. No, they don't actually. Oh my god, it's cold. That wind is not too bad when one doesn't blow. Woo! Sorry guys, you can't hear me because of the wind. I know. Wait.
There's some stuff around here for the bees.
Phew. It's not too bad here when the wind's not blowing.
Yeah.
When the wind blows, it's cold. What did you say? That's okay, give her how freaky this is. Like, you guys, you don't understand. Like, all this is just ice. Like, you can feel the ice on it. Like, yeah, I've never seen an ice storm. Well, remember that one year we had that bad ice storm? We got like 3 inches of ice, and like everything got knocked out. All the power did for like a week. Yeah, and then remember, huh? You remember you never brought 7 and that one there's like a telephone wire that had a big ice chunk on it. Yeah, you do. You don't remember that. You was afraid it could fall into your car or something sometime because the big piece of ice. Do you not remember that? You are ridiculous, man. Talk about me not remembering nothing. You really can't remember your face.
I remember a lot of stuff.
No, you don't. Like what?
I don't remember.
What'd you have for breakfast? What'd you have for breakfast 25 years ago? No, you did not have.
Probably Cheerios.
Yeah, 25 years ago, it'd be 5 years before I was born. Well, 4.
Hey, Jake, there's Jake.
Jake's like, I'm going to be a popsicle. So, you don't remember what you had for breakfast, huh? Sure you did. Do you remember the trailer park?
No.
Do you remember where we used to live?
No.
Do you remember our address?
No.
You don't remember our old address?
Yes. 601 with Mason.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot of addresses up here.
You really
I
not.
don't
Don't say
remember.
our address because people will.
I'm not going to say
Because people will fucking send SWAT teams at us.
that. Come on.
People will SWAT us. Please tell me what swatting is. Huh? Do you not know what swatting is?
Well, the SWAT team comes and kills you.
Basically, it's like a dude will call up, pretend to be like me or you or someone that's like in the vlog. And he'll be like, blah, 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 so-and-so has their family, he killed all of them, and he has a gun, he's gonna kill himself, blah, 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 blah. And they'll come and like, huh?
What you saying?
No, I'm serious. They'll come and like do it, and then they'll call the SWAT
You
team.
have more information before they come shooting up your place.
Well, they don't just come shoot up your place. They come with like armored cars and stuff, and yeah, not armored cars, but like a full force like military, like yeah, like the SWAT team comes to your house and they're like a hair trick and they'll like have you come. They'll have like a spot like come out of your house with your hands up. If you don't, they'll shoot you. I don't want to spoil Jake. It happens to every YouTuber at least once, by the way. Did you hear me? Yeah, it does.
They just say that to get more people to watch it.
No, it does. Especially if you're doing something like that people like very controversial. Like, I don't know, like if you're weird. Seriously, it happens. Like, especially to this kind of people. Like there's this, ow, 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 ow. Damn. I just broke my fucking ankle again. Ow, ow, that hurt.
What hurt?
I twisted my ankle. A bad ankle too. Now it hurts. What are you doing? There's a big stump in there. That's why you can't hit it.
Knock that down with this tractor.
I don't know. I wish I got come brush hog everything. That'd be pretty cool. Huh? Dad, you should try to walk with Dave.
Why?
Because he's all crazy. Doesn't stop. He even pulled his big dog around like, come on, dog. He's all out of breath. He just pulled it along like, come on. Couldn't stop for no one. You'd never be able to keep up with him. Couldn't now. Seriously, Jake barely kept up with him.
You go through everything I have. See how shape you're in.
Oh. Woo. It's. I don't feel anything. Yeah, I think it's the wind blowing in the trees. If it starts freezing rain, we're going inside. And you're coming too, Jake. Yeah, Dave said he took 30,000 steps in one day.
And that.
30,000.
Yeah, wrong,
Really, Dad? Oh no.
that's pretty good.
Yeah, they say like most people get less than like 5.
I get like 5 or 6.
Yeah. It's still a sedentary lifestyle. You're supposed to have more than 8. Yeah, you are. 8,000 is considered non-sedentary. If you have to get more than that, then yeah. If you get less than 8, you're sedentary lifestyle. If you get more than 10, you're above like average. Or you, yeah. Seriously.
I'm in the top 20% for my age.
For your age. Yeah, Dave's gonna buy a new phone.
Again?
Yeah, he's gonna get the S9. You should buy the other 2 phones off him because they're both newer than yours. Your mom get the S7 and the S6. Well, it's newer. You could take the phone. Mom can have the S6, you have the S7, or vice versa. The S7's better, but he has 2 phones newer than you. You should buy them off of him. Yeah.
Team cameras on that.
Probably not. Dad, it's because it's AVI. AVI format's weird. Whew. Alright, can we go inside? Because it's getting cold in here.
I told you it wasn't having a cold.
It's not that cold, it's my face. Everything else is warm. My face gets cold. Uh-huh. Alright, Dad, we gotta go find our bee's nest and smack it some more.
It was gonna sting you on the butt.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna sting you on the butt.
It's gonna be funny.
There's no bees in this.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, there's a big pile of deer. Deer, crap, blah, 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 blah.
There's bees and sea and white things.
Those are not bees.
They're gonna hatch out. There's a horn.
There's none in there.
They're in there.
No, there's not.
I said about that fingerprint smacked it.
What thing? Take your machete and smack it. Should have grabbed the machete and smacked it. Tomorrow I'm taking the machete to it.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Because I don't feel like coming back out here because it's too cold. Man, it's freaky when the wind blows. It sounds like it's raining. Do you hear it? Alright guys, I'll cut back in a few minutes once we're inside. Alright guys, we're back inside and we're cold. My dog's nuts. He's gonna get snuggled up in a blanket coat. You need to get him a sleeping thing.
Cat took my coffee and hit it.
You need to get him a sleeping thing. Look, you put it like right there. I bet you he'd sleep in it.
No, he wouldn't.
Yes, he would.
He would grab my coat, take it down.
No, he wouldn't.
Put it in his bed and sleep on it.
No, well, he'd still be using the bed. I bet you.
I got them before for my dog.
Yeah, but your dogs are stupid.
My dog was not stupid.
Yeah, they was.
He was not.
Yeah, they was.
I'm not
But-
fighting with you.
What? See? Oh, there you go. You're fighting with me. I thought you was
No,
on
I'm not
like
fighting with you.
you was
No,
on a
no,
streak-free
no,
fight.
no,
Oh,
no,
oh.
We love each other. Get away. You're
Oh,
in the way.
kumbaya. Huh? We go sing around the campfire. Why can't we be friends? Don't sing anymore.
How it
'Cause
goes.
I know, but there's another song like, why can't we be friends?
Yeah, what's that?
Kumbaya is like, kumbaya. I don't know how it goes. Don't sing anymore because we'll get copyrighted.
Everybody sings that.
We'll get copyrighted.
By who? I don't
The
even-
people who owns it.
Nobody owns it.
You can get copyrighted for singing happy birthday.
Who owns Happy Birthday?
Some company. Seriously, they copyright in like, yeah, seriously. Anytime you sing happy birthday, you're supposed to actually pay them like $20. Seriously.
Happy birthday to you. What did you do?
What? What did I do? What?
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing. What? Oh man. What did you ask what I did for? I didn't do nothing.
I didn't do something.
I didn't do nothing.
No, I hit the phone.
What thing?
The phone, I thought the phone fell off.
What's on my phone? I didn't do nothing, Dad. I think you're nuts.
Okay, good.
Well, you are. You get away from me, bro.
You're following me.
Yeah, but you're in my face. You're in my personal film space.
My bees, they're gonna sting you in the back.
Oh man, yeah, bees.
Train killer bees.
You should get some killer bees. That's actually illegal.
Yeah.
They don't survive in our state anyway. It's too cold.
Oh yeah, they do. They survive.
No, they don't.
Oh yes, they do.
They've yet to find any in our state, so I don't want to hear it. They set out bee
Including
traps.
They can't do it.
No, they can't.
They always finds a way to survive.
This isn't Jurassic Park.
Oh yes, it is.
What is it, Jurassic bees?
I told you some pterodactyls flying.
You know bees
No,
didn't
never
exist.
was me.
You know bees didn't exist for a really long time. Or plants for that matter, like a lot of like grass. Like back in like the dinosaur ages, there wasn't that much grass. Like, but basically just like tall trees is what they lived on. Did you know that? There wasn't like jungles or anything either, really. Not really. It was more like deserty because there wasn't very many flowering plants. It was not swamps either. That's what we're turning into. You ever walk past the gas well, it's a freaking swamp. Dad. Dad. Hey!
Yeah, we need more swamp.
Have you... we do not need... I'm gonna put a willow tree there.
Give me a swamp buggy.
Swamp buggy. You mean one of them boat fans? A fan boat?
Trees, more roses.
You can get a tree that has all of them on it. Peaches, oranges,
I
all kinds.
know.
Yeah.
I know
It's
this.
$50 on Amazon.
I could have done myself. It's not natural.
Oh, you're
How
just...
much? $50.
Yeah, I think. Or something.
Pay that much more?
I think maybe it's less. It's like I can't remember. It's like 50, it's like I know it's a pretty good amount of money if you get like a little tree, but if you get like a sapling, a little one like this, it's like $10.
Yeah, it's not that big.
Yeah, but you can get one that's like this big for like 50. It's already ready to go. Anyway, guys, I'll cut back later. Alright, guys, my dad's getting ready for work. Got any words of wisdom before you leave? The usual stuff. You don't have any words of wisdom, huh?
Nope.
Oh, Dad, this is your time to tell everyone in the world your wisdom. You're old. You got life experiences. Come on.
Nope.
Tell the world.
Nope.
Yes. Tell the world.
Get me something.
Yeah.
Put pressure on there.
I can't help it.
Ow. Ow.
Did you just smack your head on the
Yes, I
refrigerator?
did. Ow.
Come on, Dad. Tell the world about your life experiences. I know you want to.
Wisdom today. Make sure you don't crack your head on something.
Don't crack your head on something, huh?
Yeah.
Very good wisdom, I guess.
I can't remember that.
Did you lose your memory? Is that what happened?
Yep. No, I can't get
You have amnesia.
Now I can't get to work.
So, you know what I don't understand about amnesia, right? You know how you like to forget your memories, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you remember, like, how to walk and talk and, like, everything? You know what I mean?
You lose certain memories.
Yeah, no, but, like, people who get, like, total, like, amnesia.
Some people might remember stuff from 30 years. They think it's 30 years ago.
Yeah. What about the guy who...
Hey, I'm not married. Yay.
What about... what about the guy who only... His memory lasts for, like, 30 seconds and he forgets everything? Yeah.
I'm not a doctor.
The brain is the most complex thing we ever found. You know that?
Yeah,
It's crazy. You know that? It's even more complex in the universe, which is hard to believe.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, it is. It's very, very complex.
That father is a god. Dealt with icing Jasmine. That's my word of wisdom for today.
Ow. No, I wouldn't go like that because you'll get a lot of people talking shit when you bring up religion.
It's not a religion.
Yeah, it is.
It's God.
Just stop. That's a very touchy subject, okay?
Yeah, unless I start getting into
Did you-
what the right religion,
Well, yeah, I
which
guess.
is Christian religion.
Would you stop? Anyways, guys, I'll cut back later once my dad leaves, okay? Alright, guys, so my mom made it home. She's out there running around. Hold on, I can get her on. She's out there walking the dog. I don't think you can see her. She's out there walking the dog, but you can see the dog out there. Anyways, I'm going to go outside, walk the dog, but I'm going to end the vlog here. I've done nothing really today. Pestered my dad a lot. Played some GTA Online. So, yeah. I'm going to end the vlog here. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and peace! Whoop!